Hello, learners. I am Teacher Melu, and our topic for today is about measures of position. But before we can find quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, it is very important for us to learn how to arrange the data. Before we continue, I just want to ask a question to everyone. Have you ever wondered if your quiz score is low, average, or high compared to others? For you to answer this, we study data in statistics. So, what is measures of position? Measures of position tell us where a value is located in a group of data. They help us know which values are low, in the middle, and high. Later, you will learn about quartiles, deciles, and percentiles, which are types of measures of position. But before we can find any of these, we must first arrange the data properly. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to arrange the given set of data in ascending order. Check if the data is arranged correctly. Now let us begin. We will follow four steps in solving. Here is our data. We have 29, 35, 23, 31, 27, 37, 25, and 33. So for step number one, we have to understand the problem. What is given? We are given group or set of numbers. What is our goal? We will arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest or in an ascending order. For step number two, we have to plan. What should we do first? We should arrange the numbers from smallest to biggest. For step number three, let's do it. Let us now arrange the data from smallest to biggest. What is then the smallest number? 23, followed by 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, and 37. Okay? For step number four, we have to check whether we use all the numbers based from our given and our answer. So let us see. We have 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, and 37. So our answer is yes, we used all the numbers. Are they arranged correctly from smallest to biggest? Let us see. We have 23, 25, 27, 29, 31, 33, 35, and 37. So our answer is yes, they are arranged correctly from smallest to biggest. Now it's your turn. The given data are 18, 15, 20, 17, 16, 19, 14, and 21. The questions that you need to answer are what is the given and what is the goal? What will you do first? And you also have to arrange the data. And of course, you have to check your answer. Write your answer in the activity form. Now we are done with the first video. Thank you so much for listening and have a good day ahead.